Hello, I'm Chuck and I'm excited to introduce our wild bird feeder. It's an anti-squirrel bird feeder because it's got two discs on the front and the rear that spin, make it very difficult for the squirrel to get access to the seed ports. It's got 4 seed ports, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear, and these flexible perches, so 4 birds can feed from it at one time. However, it's difficult for a squirrel to get access and hold on to these perches. It's weatherproof in that water cannot get into the seed because it's fully enclosed on the top, and if any water gets through these seed ports, it'll drain out of these holes at the bottom. It's very easy to fill. Turn it over, unscrew the base, add your seed. It holds 3 to 5 pounds worth of seed. Screw the base back on, and there you go. This cable on the top adjusts up to 2 feet long. So there it is, our wild bird feeder.